What's up, guys, and welcome to episode 7 of Kreate It Yourself. So basically, Kreate It Yourself is our opportunity to share with you our experience of redesigning a house, remaking it. Alright guys, as you can tell, there is something new right here. This is our closet. We just got it added on. They've been working on it. Our closet is now added on. Our sheetrock and drywall is now up. Um, they finished that. Our closet is finished. They've added the, what is it called? What is it called? We're insulation. They added insulation in, and so now we're in the process of painting. We actually got our paint yesterday from Lowe's. So I'm gonna take you inside and show you what we've all already done.